Hi guys, it's Alexis Divine and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be creating this beautiful look using Divine Cosmetics, my line. Yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, morning, evening, whenever you choose to watch this video. Yeah, it's been a while since I've done a look using my cosmetics as far as making a tutorial, so I wanted to do that today. I woke up this beautiful Monday morning and I was like, I need to do makeup. Like, I just feel like I need to do makeup. So that is what this look is today, using my red lipstick from my line Blush Me. It is so beautiful. I paired it with the lip liner in shade 8 from my line as well. So yeah, this is the final look. So if you like what you see, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and continue to watch so you can see how I achieve this look. All right, see you guys soon.
All right, guys, so to start off, I have already brushed my brows with my spoolie in an upward motion, and now I'm just going to go over it with my Eye Envy Clear Lash Glue, super strong hold. This will just keep my eyebrows in place all day. It will also allow me to get a natural look with my brows so that it looks like more like hair-like strokes than just harsh lines from my eyebrow pencil. The brow pencil that I will be using today is my Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the number 5. And I am just going to start out at the bottom of my brow, making a sharp line. And I'm doing it really close to my natural brow shape so that they're not too big. I sped up the video a little bit right here, but when I fill in the middle part of my brow, I continue to move in an upward motion so that they look like hair-like strokes like I mentioned before. So take your time on this part. You know, it's no rush, but you definitely want to build the product up as you go. Right here, I'm just going to the other side to take care of my other brow. But I did want to mention that using the lash glue, a clear one, on your brows, it's really good. You can do like I did today and apply it first so that my brows are already in the shape and in the motion that I would like them to be in. Or you could do it afterwards. You can go ahead and draw in your brows, and then once you have them exactly how you like them, you can go over them with the lash glue just to keep them in place. But you know, to each his own. You have to do what works best for you. So now I am taking my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Fawn, and I am going to use a flat brush, and I'm going to go ahead and shape and carve out my brows. I didn't put this part on here, but I did take a fluffy brush to just go ahead and blend out the harsh lines of where I used my concealer. Now I'm going in with my E.l.f. bite-size eyeshadow to just go ahead and complete my eye look. It's going to be a really natural look today because I'm going to be using a red lip. So I'm just taking the dark brown shade first on the outer corners, and then I will go in with the lighter shade. Just to help that lighter shade in the palette pop, I'm gonna go and make not technically a cut crease, but just put a little bit of this P.Louise Rumour 3 base on my eye. Just like I said before, to just make that lighter shade in the palette pop a little bit more by putting this base on there first. So I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm not technically making it like a sharp cut crease. I'm just gonna make it like a seamless flow. with the dark shade, make the light shade go inside of it. So if that makes sense, just watch and you'll see. All right, now it's time to move to the face. I'm going in with my orange corrector with LA Girl Pro, and I'm going to just go over the dark spots on my face that I would like to be covered up and seamless once I apply my foundation. You also want to make sure that you pat that in. Don't rub it in, but pat it in with a fluffy brush. Today's foundation is the MAC Foundation Studio Fix in NC50, and I'm just going to take a flat brush. It's actually the one that I use to carve out my brows. I'm just taking that brush and applying it like strokes all over my face, and then I will continue to pat this in with my beauty blender and a brush. For my contour and highlight, I will be using the Fawn LA Girl Pro Concealer and the Tarte Shape Tan Deep Sand. And for my contour, I will be using my Black Opal Foundation Stick and Ebony Brown, just to carve out my face and make sure that I get under my chin, my cheekbones, forehead, and nose. Make sure you get you a little cute fan off of Amazon. I like to use this so I can let the concealer set a little bit more and dry out. It just applies better. It just does better when it can get a little bit dry and it's not as wet once you apply it. I'm taking my beauty blender to blend and make this look as seamless as possible. This next step is optional. This is if you want a brighter under eye, which is why I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tan Deep Sand. It's a little bit lighter than the Fawn, and it just gives me that brighter under look. To go ahead and set all of this in place, I am going to be using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I am taking my beauty blender to apply it to my face because it assisted in setting and being seamless and not looking very harsh. To create a small wing eye, I'm going to be using a black liquid eyeliner from Divine Cosmetics. It has not yet been released as of yet, but I'm just going to take this, and you can use any other type of black liquid eyeliner to create your wing as well. And I know you guys can see how my forehead doesn't look fully blended as of yet, but it will be corrected. I really couldn't tell it looked like this from the lighting, but the camera definitely picked it up, so just try to avoid paying attention to that. But I got it, sis. I got it. For my mascara, I am also using Divine Cosmetics before I apply my lashes, so you can definitely get this online. I will link my cosmetic website below in the description box. Right now, I'm going to just take that brown shade out of the E.l.f. palette again under my under eye. And then I'm going to also apply mascara as well. At this point, we're going to go ahead and move on to the lips. I am using the liner from Divine Cosmetics as well in shade 8. And I will also be using the matte lipstick in the shade Blush Me. It is super pretty. It lasts all day. I mean, seriously, I only applied it this one time, and I ate multiple times, went out, came back in, wore a mask and all, and my lips were still in place. The lipstick is the bomb, and I'm not just saying that because it's mine, but it's really, really good. And I also have 4 other shades online that you can also choose from. So yeah, this will be coming to the conclusion of this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. For my highlighter, I'm going to be using this Goof Shimmer Eyeshadow out of Divine Cosmetics Signature Eyeshadow Palette. It's multi-purpose. It's use your makeup for different things. Be creative, okay? But yes, this is what I use for my highlighter today. And it looks really, really pretty. And I love it.
Alright guys, this is the final look of my makeup tutorial today using Divine Cosmetics. I'm loving it. I am loving my makeup today. So this is the second tutorial on my channel that is featuring my line, Divine Cosmetics. We have lashes, eyeshadow. This is the eyeshadow palette that I was using. Beautiful colors. Mascara. This is the lipstick that I have on, the matte lipstick in Blush Me. I have my lash adhesive that I use, but it's not up here with me. What else? I use my brushes from the line. I think that's about it that I use today. And I also use my lip liner in shade 8. The rest of the products that I use will be in the description box below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yes, I love you guys. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you next time.